Hello and welcome again to Christine's Creativity Cabinet. Well, the other day I was watching YouTube and I was happy to see some videos again from an old favorite YouTuber. Her name is Idunn Goddess. Those of you who remember way back in the day when I made a video about my 7 favorite YouTubers, she was on that list, and unfortunately, for a long time, she didn't post any videos, and I was worried about her because the thing is that Idunn Goddess, she lives in the Ukraine, and we all know what's going on in the Ukraine. They're having a terrible war there. So for a long time, I was worried about her. But just recently, she's been posting more videos again. And she posted a video just recently where she showed how she made a rug, really cool kind of abstract rug, out of yarn and hot glue, involving like no sewing or any kind of needlework or anything. She showed a really creative process for doing that. And I thought that was really interesting. But here's the thing. She called it a blob rug. And I guess that's because it had just these kind of roundish shapes in it that were kind of blobby-like in her rug, right? But of course, what do I think of when I think of blobs? I'm a big Moriah Elizabeth fan. I thought of Moriah Elizabeth's blobs.
You know what we're going to do? We're going to take things to another level.
So then I thought, I wonder if I could make a rug that looks like one of Moriah Elizabeth's blobs.
I'm a little too excited by that. I don't think I need to apologize for my behavior at this point. I think we're all used to it.
Specifically, my favorite blob, which is Froggy.
That's a concept right there.
So I was thinking about that, and after I watched the video, I posted a comment to her video where I said that I thought that this was like a really great idea. I enjoyed watching the video, and I'm thinking that maybe I might try trying it out. And she actually responded. She said, "Oh, I would really like to see it. You know, if I make one of the rugs, that she would really like to see it." And so then it's like, oh my God, I have to do this.
What we do for art. I don't know if you're gonna care, but I really am into this idea.
So, this is gonna be a big experiment.
This should be interesting.
And the rug that I'm gonna make is not gonna be like a big rug. It's gonna be kind of small.
I already have an idea of the idea that I want to start with.
Because it's going to be probably kind of time consuming to do this, and I don't even know if it's going to work, but I'm going to give it a shot.
Once I came up with that idea, that's when things really escalated. I don't know if this is going to be cute or whack.
So let's get to making.
Stay with me, okay? We're going to do this. Let's do the thing. And here I go. Wee. This smells about ready. admit it, but this is actually kind of fun. It's there, darn it, I'm gonna use it. Cool story. Look at me, I've got a system.
A few days later.
Time go by so slowly. Time go by so slowly. A slow process.
Yes, it's gonna be extremely time consuming, but it's gonna be great! Let's just keep going and see, maybe it gets better from here. I don't know about that. And yes, I am in a different outfit. It's the next day. Sure that I've pulled this off, but too late. get excited.
Get excited now.